7 weird things on Amazon I actually like. Number 4 is my herb comb that helps you de-leaf things like cilantro and spinach, plus the little holes can help you with rosemary and thyme.
That's amazing.
Number 6 is my really cool plate that takes up space here instead of here, so you can put other stuff here and add more things here.
Whoa.
Number 10 are my cord wrappers that have allowed me to clean up all my appliances and make it so my cabinets don't look like this.
Gross.
You can stick this to the appliance wherever you want, and then you can easily wrap the cord around for better organization.
No way.
Number 5 are my canned drink openers that are great for kids and adults.
Okay.
And will even block the opening from leaking if tipped over by tiny humans.
They're so messy.
Number 3 is my canned drink dispenser and organizer. Just put it in your fridge and then it'll dispense the oldest ones to you so your old cans don't just sit in the back of the fridge for years.
Smart.
Number 1 are my pouch cups that are designed to prevent spills from poorly designed liquid dispensers. Seriously, who was the person who thought they would make squeezable pouches and then better yet, put kid stuff in them?
Yeah, what the heck?
Either way, these just help prevent messes and are great. Number 1 are my burger holders that help you stay clean while eating a delicious messy burger. Great for kids and even better for adults who don't want to get all nasty.
Okay, thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.